Okay. In fact, Sterlite Technologies is one stock on which we have a consensus from both our experts. It's a thumbs up from Mr. Tulsi. And Mehraboon, I think you also quite like this company. They've recently done a small acquisition as well. What would you expect from this stock over how many months? I mean, is it a long-term pick for you?
I would say that my very conservative estimate for the stock is a share price of 500 rupees over the next 12 to 18 months. I think I'll go back to CNBC shows of mine. I think 18 months ago it was 120, 130 and I was very vocal on it. The share touched a high of 410 just a few months ago and reacted sharply to around 280 where I personally felt it should be bought into. 280 becomes 260, but now it's 310 and 350 and we are discussing all over again. I think let's understand Sterlite Technologies as a clear one of the 8 integrated players in the world in the complete optic fiber chain. It manufactures optic fiber, it manufactures optic fiber cables. Its order book is roughly around $52 billion, which is at least 73% higher year on year. And this is excluding the $35 billion order which it has got from the Indian Navy. I'm not counting that. Now, if you look at this acquisition, Metallurgical, which is an Italian company, it is giving it an entry in the European market also, where as of now, it never had any manufacturing facility, and it is exposing now itself to the tier 1 customers of the acquired company. If you look at the financials of this company, I personally expect this company to end 2019-20 with a turnover of 5,000 crores and a bottom line of not less than 620 crores. Which translates into an earnings of nearly 16 rupees from the present 8 rupees. So I'm expecting the turnover to grow and the bottom line to grow twofold over the next 2 years. At 16 rupees, just give it a valuation of 30 times for a company growing at the pace at which Sterlite is growing, and you get a very conservative 480, 500 rupees coming for the stock. So if the market falls tomorrow for any reason and Sterlite is 270, 280, it may come down too. But at the end of it all, if I know at 300 or 310, if I'm seeing a price of 450 or a 500 coming, I think this type of stocks are stocks, growth stocks, where I have been advising my investors to possibly buy into, look out for every opportunity to add to their positions in such type of companies and not bother too much about what the indices are doing. So Sterlite is a classic case, and I believe at the present level also there's an at least 50% upside coming over the next 12 to 18 months.